How to download Youcut app on iPhone. Want to edit videos smoothly right from your iPhone? Let's get Youcut installed in seconds. First, open the App Store on your device. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here you can see the search bar at the top. Tap on it and type in Youcut. Once you type it in, hit search. A list of apps will appear. Look for the official app. Once you find it, tap on it to open the details page. Here you can see the Get button. Hit Get and confirm with Face ID or your Apple ID if prompted. The download begins instantly, and once installed, tap Open to launch the app. If the app does not show up in your region, try switching your App Store country temporarily or check for app restriction in screen time. Let me know in the comments if you ran into a region lock, and if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.